Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we're doing quick 10-minute all standing, no repeat ab workout. So we have 10 different exercises that we're just gonna go over once. Each exercise will be 45 seconds of work with 15 seconds of break. Everything's gonna be low impact and all levels are welcome. So what we need today is we're gonna need just one heavy dumbbell. If you're ready, well, don't forget your water and your towel. And if you're ready, let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 집에서 하실 수 있는 층간소음 없이 10분, 단 10분 만에 복근 집중 운동을 해볼 건데요. 다 서서 하는 운동이니 매트는 따로 준비해 주실 필요 없고요. 오늘 필요한 거는 무거운 아령, 무거운 덤벨 딱 한 개만 준비해 주시면 됩니다. 드실 물과 땀 닦을 타올도 잊지 마시고요. 타이거도 안녕. 그리고 총 10가지 운동이 있는데 그거를 한 세트만 반복할 거예요. 그래서 각 운동은 45초 운동과 15초 휴식으로 이루어집니다. 자, 그러면 준비되셨으면 시작해보러 갈까요? Okay, everyone, let's go and get started with a quick warm-up. Reverse it. Side to side, swing your legs. Plie, turn, turn. And here comes tiger, right? So hip openers, 3, 2, 1. Other side, 3, 2, and 1. Hands on your shoulders, rotate, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Jog it out for 10 seconds, 10 big arm circles, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So let's go and get started. Okay, first exercise, we are doing, wonder what Tiger's doing, side bend. So we're gonna do side bend right here for 45 seconds. Ready? So make sure when you do this, you're not leaning forward or back. Keep your back straight and just go as low as you can. Side bend. Same side, left side. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Inhale down. Exhale up. Keep your back straight. Good. If you don't have dumbbell, you can do this movement without the dumbbell as well. Keep going. Tiger. Okay. Before we do the other side, we are doing high knee pull. So without the dumbbell, you're gonna do like a high knee lift, but without the jumping. So ready? Knee, knee. So you're gonna go 3 times per leg. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See me from the side. High knee pull.
On a run from a given disaster, speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter.
Take a break. Okay, 3. We're doing squat with and a weight twist. So you're gonna go squat, pivot, reach. Alternate the sides. Tiger. Squat, pivot, reach. Squat, pivot, reach other side. Bring the dumbbell back to your chest. When you squat, feel that in your obliques. Keep going. right side for 45 seconds. So keep your back straight. Ready? Left hand behind your head. Down and up. Knees are soft. Really feel that in your waist and your obliques.
Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end.
Keep going.
Between the jars and bottle jack, just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Take a break. Number 5, we're doing dumbbell swing. Dumbbell swing just up to your shoulder level. Get ready. Here we go. Inhale down, exhale up. If you have a kettlebell, use your kettlebell instead. You can do that too.
Lingers on repeat like it is never gonna stop. I can't help myself from feeling all alone. But you got me good, or you got me good.
Okay, halfway through already. Okay, number 6, we don't need the weight. We're doing squat, knee to elbow. Oblique crunch, plie right here. So you're gonna go down, and then up. Down, down, and then up. You can go all the way down if you can tap your knee. Otherwise, just go as low as you can. Keep your back straight though.
Please don't go. I'd rather have you stay in. What is this game you're playing? Even if it hurts with time, we were never meant to fight. Something at the finish line. Stay, stay, stay. Even if it's short
Legs are on fire.
at least we'll never wonder why this love's so hard to find.
Take a break. Okay, number 7. We're doing wood chop, balance chop, same side. So you're gonna be in your lunge position, weight over the left shoulder, and then you're gonna swing as you lunge. Swing as you lunge. So it's a good balance exercise, so that's why we can also say balance chop, or wood chop like you're chopping the wood. Keep going. Exhale down, inhale up.
Still wondering what you're saying. Please don't go.
Take a break before we do the other side. Actually, let's do the other side, number 8.
Even if it hurts with time, we were never meant to fight.
Number 8, already. Ready? Here we go. Swing, and then up. Keep going. Good job. Take a break. Oops. Okay, forward lunge with rotation. Number 9, same side. This time instead of back, you're stepping forward. Left side. So you're gonna step forward, rotate to the side you're lunging. Come back to center. Same side.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love?
Keep going.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love?
So make sure you're not turning your hips.
What do we do to love?
You're turning from the waist.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done.
Oops. Last one, other side, and then we're done. That was quick, not bad, right? 10 minutes is all you need.
Out in the unknown.
Ready? This is it, last 45 seconds. Turn.
Off the beaten track to become a better man. Sinking in the center. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love?
Good job, everyone.
When everything's
Keep it going.
what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love?
Perfect timing. Great job, everyone.
What do we
I'm gonna stop the timer. Get water. That wasn't too bad, right? 10 minutes is all you need. As long as, so it doesn't matter how long, if you have more time in a day, you can get a longer workout in. But just because you don't have enough time doesn't mean, oh, I'm just gonna skip the workout. You can still work out, get a nice good workout in 10 minutes or 15 minutes, depending on how much time you have, right? So, back stretch, and here comes Tiger again. She's like, you're done. Good. Let's do a quick quad stretch. Switch. Plie, turn, turn. Let's finish with 3 deep breaths in and out. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more. 1 more time. And we're done for today. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me today. That was a quick 10-minute standing, no repeat ab workout with me. Hope you got a good ab workout, and this would be a great workout to do after you're done with your cardio and you just want to get a short ab workout in. So you repeat this for twice if you want a longer workout, ab workout, or even 3 times. Have a wonderful day. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday and Thursday. And if you have any great ideas or workout suggestions, please write in the comment section below. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.